Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia videos, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you require a password to view your Wistia video? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to require a password to view a Wistia video anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that certain videos are for certain groups or certain parts of your audience. And by adding a password, the general public is not going to be able to view the video. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Wistia dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to require a password to view one of your Wistia videos, here on the left side, you're going to click on Content Library. Once you do that, you're going to see these four options at the top, and you want to click on Media. Once you click on Media, you're going to see all of the videos you have in Wistia. So just scroll down until you see the video that you want to add a password to. So for example, this one. Okay, so once you click on the video, it's going to show the thumbnail. And in order to add a password to view, you're going to click on this Customize button here on the top left. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to look for this button here called Password. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and require a password to view this video. So first, what you're going to do is go ahead and turn this on by clicking here. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and add a text. So let's say, give me the darn password. Okay, here next, this is where you're going to enter in the password that's required. Okay, I added in the password. And if you want to see what the password is, you can just click here, display password. Okay, once you have added the password, it's not quite finished until you click on save here on the top right. Okay, now it's saved. Customization saved down here on the bottom left, a little pop-up. So now anybody who goes to this particular video, they're not going to be able to view the video until they enter in this password right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to password protect one of your Wistia videos, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.